Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Audi S4 hood. Start inside by pulling the hood release lever firmly on the driver's side kick panel, then step to the front and feel for the secondary latch under the hood center and push it to free the hood. Carefully lift and support the hood using the prop rod or allow the strut to hold it open, checking stability before you reach inside. Approach the front of the car with one hand ready under the hood edge to locate the secondary latch, then lift slightly while pushing the latch toward the passenger side to release fully. If the hood resists, lower it and recheck the primary release inside the cabin and the latch alignment. Always lift slowly and verify the hood prop or gas struts are holding the hood steady before you begin any maintenance or inspections under the hood. If the hood won't open, inspect the interior release cable for slack or detachment and test the latch while a helper pulls inside. Apply a light spray lubricant to the latch and cable to ease sticking, then try the release again. For frayed cables or failed latch components, replace the worn parts to restore reliable operation and double-check alignment so the hood closes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.